Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into setting up an MCP server on Cloudflare Workers, walking through the process step by step, including prerequisites, code implementation, deployment, and security considerations. If you're ready to enable AI agents to communicate seamlessly with external tools, let's get started. First, let's clarify what MCP is. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is an open standard that enables AI models and agents to share context, like goals, environment state, past interactions, and knowledge, using a standardized format. This promotes interoperability, allowing models to collaborate, make informed decisions, and integrate into workflows efficiently. Benefits include enhanced collaboration, better performance through shared context, increased flexibility for tool integration, and reduced complexity via standardization. Now, let's set up an MCP server on Cloudflare Workers. This requires a Cloudflare account, a domain pointed to Cloudflare, and basic JavaScript knowledge. Cloudflare Workers provide a serverless edge platform, ensuring scalability and low latency for your MCP server. Step 1. Set up your environment. Install Node.js and the Wrangler CLI with npm install g-wrangler. Authenticate using Wrangler login. Create a new worker project, Wrangler init MCP server, selecting the TypeScript template for type safety. Install MCP dependencies, npm install at Cloudflare/Workers OAuth provider at modal context protocol /SDK Zod. Step 2. Write the MCP server code. In index.ts, use the agent's SDK's MCP agent class to define your server. Here's a secure implementation with a math tool for evaluating expressions. Extend MCP agent and instantiate an MCP server with a name and version. Define a calculate tool using Zod for schema validation, accepting an expression string like 2 plus 2. Instead of using eval, which poses security risks like code injection, integrate a safe math library like MathJS. The tool processes the expression and returns the result in MCP-compliant format. Add OAuth with Workers OAuth provider. Wrap the server, defining /authorize, /token, and /register endpoints. Use GitHub as the identity provider, encrypting upstream tokens in Workers KV and issuing restricted tokens to clients, scoping access to the calculate tool. Step 3. Configure and deploy. In Wrangler.toml, set your Workers route, like mcp.yourdomain.com/*, and bind secrets, Wrangler secret put API_key. Deploy with Wrangler deploy, publishing to Cloudflare's edge. Your server's endpoint will be https://mcp.yourdomain.com/sse. Configure DNS in Cloudflare to point your subdomain, ensuring a name record exists. Step 4. Test the server. Test using an MCP client like Cloudflare's AI Playground. Connect to your endpoint, authenticate via OAuth, and send a request, tool_name, calculate, expression, 2 plus 2. Alternatively, use curl. Expect a response, content, type, text, 4. Step 5. Secure and optimize. Implement security, use TLS 1.3 for transport, enforce JWT-based authentication on requests, and apply rate limiting via Cloudflare's firewall rules. Add error handling with try-catch blocks and return 400 status responses for invalid inputs. Monitor performance using Cloudflare's analytics to optimize for latency and scale. Refer to the MCP spec for data formats and extend tools, like integrating a weather API, based on your needs. To wrap up, deploying an MCP server on Cloudflare involves setting up a worker, coding secure tools with MCP agent, adding OAuth, deploying to the edge, and testing with a client, all while ensuring scalability, security, and compliance with MCP standards. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other MCP setups you'd like to explore. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.